So, you finally developed your product. You're too excited about its super cool features. You just don't know how to teach your customers all about it? Well, it's when your team realizes you need to write a killer user manual. Starting to write a user manual from A to Z sounds terrifying. We're here to tell you about the top 13 rules to create a user manual that both impresses your users and helps them to learn all about your product. But we won't stop there. You're about to see how Sonat Online Document Creator is going to make it super easy when it comes to writing manuals, and why it's the perfect choice for you. Rule number 1. Do your homework. Make sure you know your product inside out. Remember, you cannot teach people something you don't know well. Rule number 2. Identify your target audience. Think like your users. Find their needs and address them with their language. You don't want your users to end up desperately looking up your pompous terminology while they're already nervous as they can't get your product to work. Rule number 3. Use a suitable and consistent writing style. Now is not a good time to joke around. Establish a standard for your writing style, but do not confuse your users with too much formality. Engage your audience using active voice, and focus on your readers. Rule number 4. Give to-the-point and precise instructions using plain language. No complex process remains complex when it's divided into separate steps. Give simple instructions step by step. Rule number 5. Structure and design your guide. Let your users know what you're going to talk about. Provide a table of contents and give your guide a logical structure and a user-friendly design. Sonat gives you a variety of options for structuring and designing your desired manual. Rule number 6. Use visuals to clarify more. Don't bore your users with long, crammed text columns. Treat them to some visuals, or let's just say, show, don't tell. They're going to get it much faster. You can insert and edit all kinds of visuals using Sonat. It also allows you to easily embed YouTube, Vimeo, and daily motion videos in your user guide. Rule number 7. Rewrite, edit, and proofread. Don't rush to publish your manual. This is just the beginning. You definitely need to read and edit it many times, but that's not enough. You'd better ask others to review and revise it too. Sometimes we're too blind to see what we're doing wrong. A team of writers is the best option. Using Sonat, you can enjoy a centralized shared platform to work, read, edit, and collaborate on documents. Rule number 8. Consider translation and language localization. Do you want to address the needs of your customers in different parts of the world? Have your document translated. But do not forget language localization. Otherwise, your translation wouldn't do much good. Sonat gives you this opportunity to introduce up to 184 languages to a single manual, making it impossible for a topic to be missed in translations. Rule number 9. Include internal and external links to other useful resources. You can simply create both through Sonat and lead your users to wherever is necessary. Rule number 10. Ask for feedback. Always change for the better. Sonat gives you this unique opportunity to benefit from constructive feedback both before and after publishing your work. Rule number 11. Make it accessible. Well, now that your manual's done, you probably wouldn't want to keep it a secret anymore. Finally, it's time to publish. Make it as accessible as possible. You'd better publish it online to reach out to most of your users easily. Online publishing of your manual using Sonat is as easy as a single click, while your users could also benefit from a PDF version it provides. Rule number 12. Keep the manual up to date. Constantly monitor your users' comments and needs and update your guide for the better. Edit and update your user manual in Sonat Backstage World as many times as you need and release it through a single click. Rule number 13. Do not underestimate its marketing potential. Here's a chance to employ your manual to serve your marketing goals. Sonat can help your business with robust SEO features. By Sonat, you could easily draft and publish a killer user manual and give your users an amazing customer support experience.